Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Coinplix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Coinplix application and then you will see the login button as well as some checkboxes. Just tap on the checkboxes and then click on the login button. Now if you don't already have an account, you can still choose your Google account in order to proceed with signing up. So tap on your preferred Google account or log in to your preferred one, and you will be asked to enter an invitation code. If you don't have an invitation code, you can tap on the cross button at the top right corner, or you can enter your invite code and then tap on the proceed button. And now you will be signed up to your account on Coinplix right away. You can start using the application to earn various different kinds of rewards. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Coinplix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.